Think cracking your knuckles is bad for you? Think again. So here's the deal. When you pull, twist, or bend your fingers, you're actually causing the joint capsule to stretch. This creates a vacuum, and gas bubbles rapidly form and collapse, making that satisfying pop sound. But does it harm your joints? Good news! Studies show that cracking your knuckles doesn't cause arthritis or any long-term damage. Phew! However, excessive cracking might lead to some minor swelling or reduced grip strength over time. So, moderation is key. Next time someone tells you to stop cracking, you've got the science to back you up. Keep those knuckles happy and healthy, folks. Stay curious, stay healthy.